When it comes to choosing a website builder, two popular options are Porkbun and GoDaddy. In this tutorial, we will compare and contrast these two platforms to help you decide which one is best for you in 2025. First, let's start with the basics. Porkbun is a relatively new website builder that offers a range of features and tools to help you create a professional-looking website. GoDaddy, on the other hand, is a well-established company that has been around for over 2 decades and offers a wide range of services including website building, domain registration, and web hosting. One of the key differences between Porkbun and GoDaddy is their pricing plans. Porkbun offers a more affordable pricing plan, with its basic plan starting at around $5 per month. GoDaddy's pricing plan, on the other hand, starts at around $10 per month. However, GoDaddy's plan includes more features and tools, such as a free domain name and unlimited storage. Another important factor to consider is ease of use. Porkbun's website builder is highly intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to create a website. GoDaddy's website builder, on the other hand, can be a bit more complicated, but it still offers a range of templates and drag-and-drop tools to make the process easier. In terms of customization options, both Porkbun and GoDaddy offer a range of templates and design tools. However, GoDaddy's templates are more extensive and offer more flexibility. Porkbun's templates, on the other hand, are more limited, but they are still highly customizable. When it comes to customer support, both Porkbun and GoDaddy offer 24/7 support. However, GoDaddy's support team is more extensive and offers more resources, including online tutorials and webinars. Ultimately, the choice between Porkbun and GoDaddy depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a more affordable option with a user-friendly website builder, Porkbun may be the best choice for you. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive platform with a wide range of features and tools, GoDaddy may be the better option. In conclusion, both Porkbun and GoDaddy are solid website builders that offer a range of features and tools. By considering your budget, ease of use, customization options, and customer support needs, you can make an informed decision about which platform is best for you in 2025.